Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. In today's lecture we are going to discuss another important question from chapter number 9. Is there a distinction between prejudice and opinion? Or what is the distinction between prejudice and opinion? So the answer to this question lies in the chapter The Study of the Essay Emotional Meanings by Robert H. Towles reveals that there exists a great distinction between prejudice and meaning. The distinction which lies in these two words is discussed as. So every person has a right to form an opinion of his about a problem, a point of person, about a thing, while no one has a right to have any prejudice for or against or issue, a problem or a person. But one person has no right to have any prejudice against one of these or any matter of life. Moreover, our opinion is largely based on thinking, and thinking may be unemotional and scientific. It is also based on our observations and experiences of life. On the other hand, prejudice reflects our feelings of hatred and love, liking and disliking. यानी जिसको उर्दू में तासुब कहते हैं, उसमें हमारी नफ़रत, पसंदीदगी, मोहब्बत, लाइकिंग, डिसलाइकिंग शामिल, पसंद नापसंद शामिल हो सकती है. The words used in a biased way or prejudiced manner have coloring with them. For example, if I say this is a bad person, this is my opinion, which I have formed after having a look at him in order to state my dislike. But if I say that I never liked such a malicious, wicked person, I would be using a prejudiced word for a malicious, wicked person, for which I have no solid reason to term him so. To give him an opinion about someone or any other matter of life is a healthy thing, but to give some cutting remarks in a biased manner, in a prejudiced way, is an unhealthy activity. So there is a great distinction between prejudice and opinion. So we can explain in this way. The words used in a prejudiced manner are colored with one's personal feelings and emotions, while the words of an opinion don't have an emotional coloring with them. If a person says that this is a good book, it is his opinion which states his liking of a book. This is the personal idea about the book. But if the same person uses the words I never liked such a bad book, यानी मैं तो ऐसी बुरी किताबें पसंद ही नहीं करता, he is indeed using a prejudiced word bad, for which he has no reason or right. So there exists an obvious distinction between these two words, that is prejudice and opinion. A prejudice is one-sided belief as it is formed without any prior analysis of facts and is based on an unjust judgment, because no accused can be declared criminal unless the charge leveled against him is proved. So far as opinion is concerned, it is formed after an objective and correct observation and just study of facts. In fact, our prejudice is formed on the basis of our likings or dislikings about something or some reason, person, are the root cause of our controversies about social, political, moral and religious matters or controversies. I hope you have got all the meanings of prejudice and opinion. Now you have got what is the difference between prejudice and opinion. So prepare it properly. This question often comes in a university exam. If you have any queries or any point is not clear, you can contact me. Stay tuned till next lecture. Take care of yourself and your families. Allah.